Hello my friends, in this video I want to talk about the Seiko turtle. Personally I have 4 Seiko turtles, okay? I have these 2 full-size turtles. I have a king turtle, okay, the one with the sapphire glass and ceramic insert, and I also have got a slim turtle. Unfortunately, I wasn't happy with the performance of the movement of my slim turtle, and I took it for service. The movement in that piece, which is the 6R35, is total crap. So I took it to my watchmaker, and I requested from him to disassemble it, clean, oil, and regulate it. Now these 2 turtles I have regulated it myself, so I will show you the numbers. But first, let me show you what I am wearing. I'm wearing my Seiko SLA 043 on the stock waffle strap. Let me remind you that the dimensions of the turtle are 45 millimeters in diameter, 13 millimeters in thickness, and you have 47 of lug to lug, okay? And the lug width is 22 millimeters. So these 2 pieces, the one is the SBDY 015 and the other one is the SBDY 013. They're both JDM. They feature kanji they will, okay? So let me start by throwing this one, okay? Now, as you know, the lift angle for the 4R36 movement is 53 degrees, okay? And let's start and see what's happening. So as you can see, you have a very nice amplitude, okay? There is 0 bit error, and as you can see, the daily rate is between +4 and +6-7 seconds per day, okay, which is within chronometer levels. Now if I change the position, so if I do crown up, let's see, let me start it again. So crown up, you have a drop of amplitude, bit error is 0, and the daily rate is between -3 and -9 seconds per day, okay? But this position is not very, I mean, you don't use this position during your day-to-day activities. When you're walking, let's say, you are looking at crown down. So let's see how it does when the watch is in crown down position. So in crown down, when we are walking, so as you can see, there is a bit error of 0.5 milliseconds, and the daily rate is between -1 and -2. Okay, sorry, -1 and +2 seconds. So this movement is within chronometer specs. Let's check dial down. Okay, so between -7 and -9 seconds per day. Okay, let's check the other one. So again, you have a healthy amplitude of 290 degrees. You have a 0-bit error. And the daily rate is between -4 to -1 seconds per day. But the longer I leave it, if you see, the longer I leave it in the dial-up position, it settles down to 0. Okay, between -1 and 0 seconds, which is amazing. Okay, let's see, dial down. So in crown down, it gains +9, +10 seconds per day. You've got a decent amplitude, around 260s. Okay, so it is performing very good. Okay, so let's see how the Adel 35 performs on the timegrapher. So here we have a higher bit movement, which is 28,800 vibrations per hour. Let me get the signal. So as you can see, it's around 250 amplitude. And is close to 0. Okay, let's try crown down. What a good signal. Let's try again. Come on. somehow. Okay, so at crown down we have an amplitude of 250 again. The amplitude didn't change, but we have a loss of 5 seconds per day. Let me see. Okay, so here I have a better signal. So it's losing between -5 and -8 seconds. Okay. So this is what I wanted to show you. Let me know what you think about Seiko regulation. Okay, thank you.